औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह. Dear students, today we are going to start our next chapter, which is chapter number 5, and the topic of chapter 5 is addition and subtraction. Addition means you have to sum up, and subtraction means you have to subtract two numbers. Question number 1 on page number 44 is look at the beads on each abacus to help and add these numbers. I just write down the numbers but not drawing abacus for you. Page number 44, question number 1. A part 5, 7, 1, 2. The next number is 1, 0, 3, 1. We have to add them. From extreme right side, we will start our addition. 2 plus 1, this is 3. 3 plus 1, this is 4. 7 plus 0, this is 7. And last 5 plus 1, this is 6. This is A part of question number 1, page number 44. B part of the same question, 4, 0, 4, 3. And the next number is 3, 2, 2, 3. Addition. Once again, from extreme right side, 3 plus 3, this is 6. 4 plus 2, 6. 0 plus 2, this is 2. And 4 plus 3, 7. C part of question number 1, page 44 is 2, 1, 1, 8. And the next number is 6, 5, 2, 0. 6, 5, 2, 0. Once again addition. Similarly, from extreme right side, 8 plus 0. This is 8, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 5, 6, and 2 plus 6, 8. D part, three, 9, 4, and next number is 2, 0, 0, 4. Addition. 4 plus 4, 8, 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 0, 3, and 3 plus 2, 5. E part, 1, 2, 8, 4. Next number is 4, 6, 0, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. And 1 plus 4, 5. Last part of the question number 1, page 44, is F part, which is 7, 1, 0, 3. Next number is 1, 3, 4, 6. 6 plus 3, this is 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. And 7 plus 1, this is 8. Page number 45. Question number 2. Answer the following. A part. 5, 0, 3, 3, 1, 8, 2, 0. Add 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 0 plus 8, 8, and 5 plus 1, 6. B part. 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 1, 0, 2. From extreme right side, 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 3, 4. C part is 3, 2, 6, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. Two plus 1, 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 3, 6. D part 4, 4, 0, 1. Next number is 3, 4, 3, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. The 4 parts I have done for you from page number 45. So students, remaining 4 parts you have to do by yourself. Page number 46. Question number 1. A part. Answer the following questions. 5, 3, 6, 3. Next is 4, 2, 6, 4. Unit, 10, 100, 1000. We have to add them. From extreme right side, we will start our addition. 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 6, this is 12. Now 2 will be here and 1 will be carried like this. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. This is A part. B part of this question. 1, 7, 2, 3. 6, 5, 2, 9. Plus 3 plus 9, 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 here, 1 carry. And 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. C part. 4, 9, 6, 2, 4, 0, 8, 7. Seven plus 2, this is 9. 6 plus 8, this is 14. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. D part. 1, 9, 6, 5, 1, 1, 7, 2. Plus 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry. 1, 2, and 3. E part. 8, 4, 9, 0. 4, 4, 9, 3. Zero plus 3, this is 3. 9 plus 9, 18. 8, 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here. But in the previous we had to send carry, but there is no next number, so we will write 12 complete here. F part. 5, 0, 9, 1, 5, 4, 7, 8. Eight plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. On page number 47, question number 2 is keep the numbers in the line you have to write them out. Estimate the answer first. This question, students, you have to do by yourself. I'm going to start question number 3. Page number 47, question number 3. A table is given. Players, round 1, round 2. First player is Fadi. Second is Alia. Then Walid. And last is Jana. Round points of all these players is first one is 40133 points. Next 30278 points. Then 38228 points. Then 27486 points. In round 2, first player has 29707 points. Second one 24591 points. Third 31045 points. And the last one 42375 points. We have to find out the total of each player in these 2 rounds. Total. First of all, we'll find out the total of Fadi. In round 1, Fadi has 40133 points, and in round 2, 29707 points. For total, we have to find out addition from extreme right. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 0 plus 9, 9. And 4 plus 2 is 6. So the total of Fadi in 2 rounds is 69840 points. In the case of Alia, she has 30278 points, and in round 2 34591. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 7 16, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 0 plus 4, 4, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So the total of area in 2 rounds are 6, 4, 8, 6, 9 points. Now total of Walid. Walid has 3, 8, 2, 2, 8 points in round 1 and 3, 1, 0, 4, 5 points in round 2. 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 3, 6. Walid has 6, 9, 2, 7, 3 points. The last one is Jana. Jana has 2, 7, 4, 8, 6 points in round 1 and 4, 2, 3, 7, 5 in round 2. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 1 carry. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 2, 9, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So total of Jana is 6, 9, 8, 6, 1 points. So boys, this is our today's task. Now homework. So students, kindly note down your diary. You have to write question number 1, page 44 on your book. You have to solve question number 2, page 45 on book. Page number 46, you have to solve question number 1 on book and question number 2 and 3 on your copy.